How to check call duration in Android. First thing first, open the phone application on your Android device, then tap on recents at the bottom of the screen. So these are all the recent calls that you have made or received on any Android device. So you need to select any user that you want to check the call duration of, and once you have tapped on their name, tap on history option. And as you can see that with this person I have one incoming call. Next to the incoming call, there is the time duration or the call duration of the call, which says 29 seconds. So in this way, if you have a lot of calls with anyone and you want to check the call duration with that person, then you can easily open the history and check the call duration which is next to just the incoming call or outgoing calls. So in this way, you can easily check the call duration in any Androids using the steps or following the steps. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.